Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to get a free auto clicker in Roblox. So just let me introduce you to the auto clicker benefits for Roblox. And here it says in a situation when you need to hunt down an enemy before they do, now this requires a fast clicks to compete with other players. In that case, you can use auto clicker to accurately place the cursor position and then automate the tapping actions as fast as you need. So basically you're gonna be able to set an order to fast click or automatically click on something inside the Roblox, right? And here, if you want to check out if it is legit to use on Roblox, and Roblox says while it's not directly dangerous, it can end up overheating your laptop, but mainly from Roblox, they have no problem, and they have no problem using you're using another third-party app to actually hunt down enemies or something like that within the Roblox. So we're gonna just go ahead right here into the auto clicker and just go ahead to the SourceForge, which is a safe website to download any other apps right from there, and rest assured that there isn't a malware or something like a virus or something like that to actually detect. So basically you get to be able to download it and have a better experience while doing it. You're gonna see right here project examples. You're gonna be able to go ahead right here. You're gonna see a demonstration and just go ahead, lots of example, and click right here 100 or 1, right? And you're gonna see right here click repeat and just set it on one time, and you're gonna be able to hit F6 or start, and you're gonna be able within the Roblox app or within the Roblox game, you're gonna be able to send an order to do it, right? And here you're gonna see the newest update 2.1, and you're gonna be able to do it from within. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.